Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's a guide on installing Google Chrome extensions on your device. To begin, you need to open your Google Chrome application. Extensions enhance your browsing experience by adding various functionalities. So to install an extension, navigate to the top right corner of the Chrome browser window and click on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Extensions. Here, select Visit Chrome Web Store. Now this will take you to chromewebstore.google.com, where you can go ahead and use the search bar in the top to search for extensions and themes that you desire and then add it to your browser. For this tutorial, I'm going to add view automation on my device. If you want to go ahead and do it, click on Add to Chrome option, then select Add Extension. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to fully install in your browser. Once done, you can close the tab, then click on this extension icon in the top right, select the extension that you just downloaded, and then start using it on your device. In my browser, I have a lot of extensions downloaded, like AI Sidebar, Hola VPN, Cider, and YouTube Summary as well. I also have AI Prompt Genius and other different options available. But in the case, if you want to go ahead and delete any of the extensions that you no longer use, you can click on the three-dot menu beside that specific extension that you've installed. Then click on Remove from Chrome, select Remove, and you'll be done. Refresh the tab. If you click on the extensions icon again, you won't find that specific extension that you just removed. And if you want to pin any extension in your browser, you can click on this pin icon right here. You can see that the Cider has appeared in my quick access. You can simply click on it and launch it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.